Soft glass window, city far unfocused, hand on marble, breathing like a ritual. Silk on skin, every move intentional, nothing rushed, every angle deliberate. Quiet power in the velvet silence. I don't have to raise my voice. Every breath is all the proof I need. Presence is a quiet choice. Tracing slow patterns, eyes don't wander. They invite, they measure. Letters folded in a leather case, one small